incubator is hanggang 100 degrees Celsius lang. And then the oven is hanggang 300 degrees Celsius. Isa pang features nila is yung safety ng incubator. Kung mapapansin nyo po,
Glass?
yes. Because for drying purpose only, while
This is open.
while the incubator of the glass because of protection for the user. Also, one feature of this machine is the data logging. You can remotely access the temperature settings on your laptop and change the settings remotely.
So yeah, and then later you can submit. Once you're finished accomplishing your evaluation,
Basically, si open kasi
you
for
can
like
approach
incubator is for
Siranahan or lang po siya, no?
Hanggang 100 degrees centigrade lang siya.
yes, si incubator.
Ay, ito,
And
300.
300.